Next one, if the quadratic equation 1 plus a square into b square x square plus 2abcx plus c square minus m square equal to 0 in x has equal roots, prove that c square equal to m square into 1 plus a square. That is, this is quadratic equation in x. So we have to prove this. Okay. And has equal roots means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. And what is a here? A equal to 1 plus a square into b square. Then b is equal to 2abc and c equal to c square minus m square. Okay, so b square minus 4ac equal to 0 means 2abc square minus 4 into 1 plus a square into b square into c square minus m square equal to 0. Okay, so this becomes 4a square b square c square minus 4 into that is, we can multiply this. 4 into 1 plus a square is 4 plus 4a square into b square into c square minus m square equal to 0. Okay, now this can be written as 4a square b square c square minus this can be written as 4 plus 4a square into, we can multiply this, b square c square minus b square m square is equal to 0. Okay, now this is equal same as 4a square b square c square minus multiplying this 4b square c square minus 4b square c square, that is, we can write this in bracket. Multiplying this we can write in bracket. So 4b square c square minus 4b square m square, then plus 4a square b square c square, then minus 4a square b square m square is equal to 0. We have 4a square b square c square minus 4b square c square plus 4b square m square minus 4a square b square c square plus 4a square b square m square is equal to 0. Here this and this will get cancelled. So we have 4b square minus 4b square c square plus 4b square m square plus 4a square b square m square equal to 0. Now dividing in all these, 4b square is common. So we can take 4b square out. And we have minus c square, then plus m square plus a square m square is equal to 0. Which means 4b square into minus c square plus m square plus a square m square equal to 0 means 4b square equal to 0 and minus c square plus m square plus a square m square equal to 0. Okay, so we have taking this to the right hand side, these to the right hand side, we have minus c square equal to minus m square minus a square m square. Minus c square equal to minus m square minus a square m square means this is the same as minus of m square plus a square m square. So, and this minus and minus will get cancelled and this m square can be taken out. So, we have m square into 1 plus a square. So, we got c square equal to, therefore, c square equal to m square into 1 plus a square. Hence, proved. Okay, understood? Next one. If roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2px plus mn equal to 0 are real and equal, show that roots of the equation x square minus 2 into m plus n into x plus m square plus n square plus 2p square are also equal. We have to show that roots of this equation are also equal. If the roots of this equation are equal and real, we have to prove that roots of this equation are also equal. So, given that x square plus 2px plus mn equal to 0, x square plus 2px plus mn equal to 0. Roots of this are equal and real, means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Here what is b square? 2p square, that is 4p square minus 4 into 1 into c, that is mn, 4mn equal to 0, which means 4p square equal to 4mn, and 4 and 4 will get cancelled, which means p square equal to mn. Okay. Now we have to prove that this also has equal roots. So, x square minus 2 into m plus n into x plus m square plus n square plus 2p square is equal to 0 is the second equation. And we know that p square, as the next step we can write p square is equal to mn. I am not writing it. You can write this as the next step. So, since put p square equal to mn. Okay. So, x square minus 2 into m plus n into x plus m square plus n square plus 2mn equal to 0. And this, we have to show that this has equal roots. So, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. That is, b square is minus 2 into m plus n the whole square, which is 4 into m plus n the whole square, minus 4 into m square plus n square plus 2mn. It is b square minus 4ac is equal to 4 into m plus n the whole square minus 4 into m square plus n square plus 2mn. And this is nothing but 4 into m square plus n square plus 2mn minus 4 into m square plus n square plus 2mn. So, this is equal to 0. That is, b square minus 4ac equal to 0, which means this equation also has equal roots. Okay, understood? Next one, find the positive values of k for which quadratic equations x square plus kx plus 64 equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k equal to 0 both will have real roots. Real roots means p square minus 4ac will be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so for this x square plus kx plus 64 equal to 0, for the equation x square plus kx plus 64 equal to 0, b square minus 4ac equal to greater than or equal to 0 means k square minus 4 into 64 greater than or equal to 0. That is k square minus 4 into 4 is 16, then 4 into 6 24, 24 plus 1 25 is greater than or equal to 0, which means k square is greater than or equal to 256. That is, k is greater than or equal to root of 256, that is 16. K is greater than or equal to 16. From this we got equation 1 as k is greater than or equal to 16. Now, second equation is x square minus 8x plus k equal to 0. And here also b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, which means b square is minus 8 the whole square, which is 64 minus 4ac, that is 4k. 4 into 1 into k, that is 4k, greater than or equal to 0. Means 64 is greater than or equal to 4k. Right? Now, we can take this 4 to the left hand side. So, this becomes 65 by 4 is greater than or equal to k, which means 16 is greater than or equal to k, and this means k is less than or equal to 16. Here k is greater than or equal to 16, and here we got k, this is equation 2. Okay, from here k is greater than or equal to 16, and here k is less than or equal to 16. So what does that mean? In both these, this here it is greater, here it is less, but there is one equal to in both the equations. So we can say that for both the equations to be satisfied, we will have to take k equal to 16. So the positive value of k for which these two equations will have real roots is k equal to 16. So this is the answer. Next question is, if the roots of the equation a square plus b square into x square minus 2 in ac plus bd into x minus 2 into ac plus bd into x plus c square plus d square equal to 0 are equal, then prove that ad equal to bc. So we have b square minus 4ac equal to 0. We can take it as this, like this, b square minus b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So what is a here? A is a square plus b square. Then b is minus 2ac plus bd. And c is c square plus d square. Right? Now b square minus 4ac is 4 into ac plus bd the whole square minus 4 into a square plus b square into c square plus d square is equal to 0. We can write b square minus 4ac equal to 0 implies 4 into ac plus bd the whole square minus 4 into a square plus b square into c square plus d square equal to 0. So this implies 4 into a square c square plus b square d square plus 2acbd. Right? This is a square c square. AC plus bd whole square is a square c square plus b square d square plus 2acbd. Now minus 4 into, we can multiply this, a square c square plus a square d square, then plus b square c square plus b square d square is equal to 0. Okay, now this implies 4a square c square plus 4b square d square plus 8abcd, we can write this as abcd, minus 4a square c square minus 4a square d square minus 4b square c square minus 4b square d square equal to 0. Now 4a square c square and minus 4a square c square will get cancelled. Then 4b square d square and minus 4b square d square will get cancelled. So this implies 8abcd minus 4a square d square minus 4b square c square equal to 0. We have to prove that AD equal to BC. Okay. Now we can write this as minus 4a square d square minus 4b square c square plus 8abcd equal to 0. Okay. Now we can divide all these terms by minus 4. If we divide all these terms by minus 4, we will get a square d square plus b square c square minus 2abcd equal to 0. Isn't it? A square d square plus b square c square minus 2abcd equal to 0. Now this is of the form AD minus BC the whole square equal to 0. Right? Because this is AD, a square d square plus b square c square minus 2abcd, which is of the form AD minus BC the whole square. So AD minus BC the whole square equal to 0, which implies AD minus BC equal to 0 and AD minus BC equal to 0. So this means AD equal to BC. This implies AD equal to BC. Hence proved. Okay. You can pause the video and note this down if you want. 29th question. Find the values of k for which the equation 3k plus 1 into x square plus 2 into k plus 1 into x plus 1 has equal roots. Also find the roots. So we know that b square minus 4ac equal to 0 if it has equal roots. So b is equal to 2 into k plus 1 which is equal to 2k plus 2. And a is equal to 3k plus 1 and c equal to 1. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0 implies b square is 2k plus 2 the whole square which is 4k square plus 2 into 2k into 2 that is 8k plus 4 then minus 4ac that is 4 into 3k plus 1 into 1. So 4 into 3k plus 1 minus 4 into 3k plus 1. This is equal to 0. Okay. Now this implies 4k square plus 8k plus 4 minus 12k minus 4 is equal to 0, which implies 4k square, this 8k minus 12k is minus 4k and plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled, is equal to 0, which implies 4k we can take out. So 4k into k minus 1 equal to 0. So implies k equal to 0 and k equal to 1. So we got k equal to 0 and k equal to 1. Now we have to find the roots when k equal to 0. So when k equal to 0, this will become 0 plus 1 x square, that is x square plus 2k plus 1 into x, that is 2 into 0 plus 1 which is 2 into 1, that is 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0, which means x plus 1 the whole square equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 and minus 1. So when k equal to 0, we got x as minus 1. Now when k equal to 1, k equal to 1, what is the equation? 3 plus 1 x square, that is 4x square plus 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 2 into 2, 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is of the form 2x plus 1 the whole square. So 2x plus 1 the whole square equal to 0, which means 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So when k equal to 0, the roots are minus 1 and minus 1, and when k equal to 1, the roots are minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Okay. Next one. Find the values of k for which the equation k plus 4 into x square plus k plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0 has equal roots. Also find the roots. So k plus 4 into x square plus k plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. And it has equal roots means b square minus 4ac. We can write here b square minus 4ac equal to 0, which implies b square is k plus 1 the whole square minus 4 into k plus 4 into 1. is equal to 0. Okay, now this implies k square plus 2k plus 1 minus 4k minus, we are multiplying this here itself, so minus 4k minus 16 equal to 0. So this will become k square, 2k minus 4k is minus 2k and 1 minus 16 is minus 15 is equal to 0. So this can be written as k minus 5 into k plus 3 equal to 0, right? Because minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 and minus 5 into plus 3 is minus 15. So we can write like this, k minus 5 into k plus 3 equal to 0, which implies k equal to 5 and k equal to minus 3. 5 and minus 3. Now when k equal to 5, k equal to 5. What is the equation? 5 plus 4x square, that is 9x square, plus 5 plus 1 into x, that is 6x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is of the form 3x plus 1 the whole square equal to 0. So we have x equal to 3x equal to minus 1, which means x equal to minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. So when k equal to 5, so when k equal to 5, we got the values of x as minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. Now when k equal to minus 3, what is the equation? Minus 3 plus 4x square, that is 1x square. Then minus 3 plus 1x, that is minus 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So we can write this as x minus 1 the whole square, because x minus 1 the whole square is x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means x equal to 1 and 1 are the roots. So when k equal to 5, we got the roots as minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3, and when k equal to minus 3, we got the roots as 1 and 1. Okay. Next one, if x equal to minus 2 is a root of the equation 3x square plus 7x plus p equal to 0, find the value of k so that the roots of the equation x square plus k into 4x plus k minus 1 plus p equal to 0 are equal. So, x equal to minus 2 is a root of the equation. So, from this we can find the value of p, right? So, what will we do? We can put the value of x as minus 2. So 3x square plus 7x plus p equal to 0. Put x equal to minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 square, that is, we can write this here. 3x square plus 7x plus p equal to 0. Put x equal to minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 square is 3 into 4, that is 12 plus 7 into minus 2 is minus 14 plus p equal to 0, which means minus 2 plus p equal to 0. So p is equal to 2. Okay, now put this value of p in this equation. So we will get x square plus k into 4x plus k minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now we can write this as a quadratic equation in terms of x. So we can write as x square plus 4kx plus k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. That is x square plus 4kx, right? Now k square, k into k is k square minus 1, minus 1 into k is minus k plus 2 equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation. A is 1, A equal to 1, B equal to 4k and C constant is equal to k square minus k plus 2. Okay. Now, given that roots of this equation are equal, which means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So, b square is 16k square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. Right? Now, this implies 16k square minus 4k square plus 4k minus 2 equal to 0, which implies 12k square plus 4k minus 2 is equal to 0. So, we can divide this by 2, which means all these terms by 2. We will get 6k square plus 2k minus 1 equal to 0. Sorry, I made a mistake here. It is minus 8 equal to 0. So, this is minus 8. And so here we can divide this by 4 because in all these terms 4 is common. So when we divide this by 4, we will get 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now 3k square plus k minus 2 can be written as 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies 3k into k plus 1 minus 2k into k plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2 into k plus 1. If we take minus 2 from this common, we will have k plus 1 is equal to 0, which implies 3k minus 2 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. And this implies 3k minus 2 equal to 0, which means 3k equal to 2, k equal to 2 by 3. And k plus 1 equal to 0, which means k is equal to minus 1. So, the values of k are minus 1 and 2 by 3. Understood? Next one is, if x equal to minus 4 is a root of the equation x square plus 2x plus 4p equal to 0, find the values of k so that the roots of the equation x square plus px into 1 plus 3k plus 7 into 3 plus 2k equal to 0 are equal. Okay, so similar to the last question, we have x square plus 2x plus 4p equal to 0. So, put x equal to minus 4 because minus 4 is a root of the this equation. So, x square plus 2x plus 4p equal to 0. X square plus 2x plus 4p equal to 0. Minus 4 is a root of this equation, means put x equal to minus 4. So, minus 4 square is 16. Then 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 plus 4p equal to 0. Which means 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 plus 4p equal to 0. And that means 4p equal to minus 8. So, p equal to minus 8 by 4, which is equal to minus 2. So, p equal to minus 2. Now, substitute p, the value of p here. Okay, so we have x square minus 2x into 1 plus 3k plus 7 into 3 plus 2k is equal to 0. So, um, so we can convert this to standard form of quadratic equation in terms of x. So, we can write this as x square minus 2 into 1 plus 3k, we can multiply and write. So, 2 plus 6k into x plus 21 plus 14k is equal to 0. And here b square equal to 4ac or b square minus 4ac equal to 0 because this has equal roots. So, this b square minus 4ac equal to 0. And here b is minus 2k, 2 plus 6k. So, b square is 2 minus of 2 plus 6k the whole square minus 4ac. That is, a is 1. 4 into 1 into 21 plus 14k is equal to 0. This implies we can write b square minus 4ac equal to 0 implies minus 2 plus 6k the whole square minus 4 into 21 plus 14k equal to 0. So this implies 4 plus, that is a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and minus square is plus. So 4 plus 24k plus 36k square minus. Now we can multiply this by 4. So 84 minus 14 into 4 is 4 4s are 16, 1 carry. So 1 into 4, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 56k is equal to 0. Now 36k square, we can write the k square term first. So we have 36k square, then minus 56k plus 24k is minus 32k. Right? Now minus 84 plus 4 is minus 80 is equal to 0. And in all these terms 4 is there. So we can divide this by 4, right? So dividing all these by 4, we have 9k square minus 8k minus 20 is equal to 0. And this can be written as 9k square minus 18k plus 10k minus 20 is equal to 0. Right? And we can take 9k common from this and 10 common from this, so that we will get k minus 2. So if we take 9k from this, we have k minus 2, and if we take 10 from this, we have k minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies 9k plus 10 into k minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I am writing this here, which implies 9k plus 10 equal to 0. That is 9k equal to minus 10, k equal to minus 10 by 9. And from this we have k minus 2 equal to 0. So k minus 2 equal to 0, which means k equal to 2. So minus 10 by 9 and 2 are the values of k. Okay, understood? Next one is find the value of p for which the quadratic equation p plus 1 into x square plus 6 into p plus 1 into x plus 3 into p plus 9 equal to 0, p not equal to minus 1 has equal roots. Hence find the roots of the equation. We have to find the value of p for which this has equal roots, that is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So this implies b square minus 4ac equal to 0, that is 6p plus 1 the whole square, that is 36 into p plus 1 the whole square minus 4 into a is p plus 1 into c is 3 into p plus 9 into 3 into p plus 9 is equal to 0. So this implies 36 into p square plus 2p plus 1 minus 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into p plus 1 into p plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now this implies 36p square plus 72p plus 36 minus 12 into p plus 1 into p plus 9 is p square plus 10p plus 9 is equal to 0. So this implies 36p square plus 72p plus 36 minus 12p square minus 120p minus 12 into 9 is 108 is equal to 0. And 36p square minus 12p square is 24p square. Then 72p minus 120p is minus of this is 8 and 48, right? So minus 48p, then minus 108 minus 36, or minus 108 plus 36 is minus 2, then 72. Minus 72 equal to 0. So, 12 is common in all these. We can divide all these by 12. So, we will get, or 24 is common. 24 into 3 is 72. So, 24 is common in all these. So, we can divide this by 24. Okay. So, we will get p square minus 2p minus 3 equal to 0. Which means p minus 2, p minus 3 into p plus 1 is equal to 0. P minus 3 into p plus 1 equal to 0, which implies p minus 3 equal to 0 and p plus 1 equal to 0, and this means p equal to 3 and p equal to minus 1. So the values of p here are minus 1 and 3. Understood? Now we have to find the roots of the equation. So substitute value of p here. We will get, when p equal to 3, we have 4x square. That is 3 plus 1 into x square is 4x square minus 6 into p plus 1, that is 6 into 4, 24x. Then plus 3 into 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. 3 into 12 is 36. Plus 36 equal to 0. So we can divide this by 4. All these terms have 4. So x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. So we can write this as x minus 3 square. X minus 3 the whole square is x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. Which means x equal to 3 and 3. Okay. Now when p equal to minus 1, we have, here we got p equal to minus 1, but here it is given p not equal to minus 1. So we don't have to take this p equal to minus 1. So we have p equal to 3 only, and we have got the value of x when p equal to 3 here. Okay, understood? Next one, if the equation 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square equal to 0 has equal roots, prove that c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Has equal roots means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Here a equal to 1 plus m square, then b equal to 2mc and c equal to c square minus a square. Okay. Now b square minus 4ac equal to 0 means 2mc square is 4m square c square minus 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square equal to 0. We can write b square minus 4ac equal to 0 implies. Okay. Now this implies 4m square c square minus 4 into 1 plus m square into c square minus a square. So we can multiply first by 1. C square minus a square, then multiply by m square. So m square c square minus m square a square is equal to 0. Okay. Now this implies 4m square c square minus 4c square plus 4a square minus 4m square c square plus 4m square a square is equal to 0. Right? Now this will get cancelled. 4m square c square will get cancelled. Here we got, this implies 4a square minus 4c square plus 4m square a square is equal to 0. Now in all these terms 4 is there. So we can divide this by 4. We will get a square minus c square plus m square a square is equal to 0. So we have to get c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So we can keep this c square here, minus c square here, and take this to the right hand side. So this will become minus a square minus m square a square. Okay. So minus, is there in both these terms. So c square minus c square equal to minus of, here a square is there. A square is there in both these. So we can take a square common, minus a square common, and we'll have 1 plus m square. So we have got this minus c square equal to minus a square into 1 plus m square means c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So hence proved. We have proved that c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Okay, understood?